In France, Prime Minister Edouard Philippe suspends planned fuel tax increases for 6 months after weeks of violent protests. The Israeli military launches an operation to destroy newly discovered tunnels between Israel and Lebanon. Israel accuses the Iran-supported group Hezbollah of digging the passageways. In the United States, President Donald Trump and his wife Melania paid their respects to former President George H.W. Bush at the Capitol building. And a small airplane crashed into a house in the Mexican city of Culiacan.